Hello, I want to show you another way that you can make social media images for free online. Just go to canva.com. That's canva.com. You'll need to register, and once you do, you'll be able to log in. Okay, once you establish a login, you see all of these great tools that are available to you. Now, of course, you're limited in what you can do for free, but you have the ability to make all kinds of documents. We are just going to concentrate on social media posts. So let's choose a general social media, which is 800 by 800. Notice they do have Pinterest, Facebook, whatever social media platform you want to post to, but let's just choose social media in general right now. Notice to the left, you have Canva layouts. You want to pay attention to the free tags. If you choose something that does not have free at the bottom, you will have to pay about $1 for it in order for you to download it. I'll show you for example. As you can see, once we click that little I for information, it tells you that this image will cost you $1 for one usage, and you have 24 hours to use it for a design. So let's choose a design for free. And as you can see, you can lose a little bit of time working through all of their layouts to see what you might want to choose for free. Let's just choose a simple quote design. You can choose elements. You can add your own elements to it. So we just want to change the text here. Whatever you want to change, just click it or double click it until you are able to highlight it and change it. And if you are pleased with that, you are free to download it. You always want to download what you have created. You will download it in Ping and just click download. It's just as easy as that. And as long as you choose a free design, you are always free to download it and post it. And a good thing about Canva is that they do not put watermarks on whatever you create and download for free. So that is excellent. You also do not have to resize the graphic because it's already in the size you need depending on your social media platform. All right, let's create another design. Let's go back to layouts. And these are all of the layouts that are available under the social media category. Here's one with a picture. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Here's a simple one. Let's say you don't want to change anything. You simply want to share it. You are now able to share it to these social media platforms. Just fill out this information for it. And you can always go back to choose another document type. All right, it's just that simple. Making a social image for free on Canva. All right, thank you so much. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful to you, and happy content creation.